Alright, this is a quick follow-up to using procs to pass multiple values. I've got this slab in this case, so it's got a third dimension. And the slab has volume and it has a perimeter. And I'm using the B macro, the same one I defined down here. I can pass in 4 values. Val is the whatever I want to format. S is the how I want it formatted. And then X and Y are decimal places and show trailing zeros. So this what I'm trying to demonstrate here is how you can use this same macro to get a variety of formatted output. So I'm passing in volume, and I want it in cubic feet. I want 5 decimal places, and I want to show trailing zeros. Down here I'm passing in perimeter. This gobbledygook right here tells it to format it in feet and inches, just like you see up here. And show trailing zeros. So let's change this a little bit. I'm going to change the second one, and I'm going to make this 2 decimal places, and we're going to change true to false. You can see over here it changes it just to 8 feet. So let's say okay, 8 feet. Let's change that. Show trailing zeros to true. You can see over here it adds trailing zeros. I'm going to change this 2 up here to 0. Then so now we get 8 feet 0 inches for perimeter, which is correct because this is a 4-foot square, or a 2-foot square. Let me turn on 2-foot square. So perimeter would be 8 feet. I've changed the depth or the thickness to 12 inches. So that's what makes it 4 cubic feet. So again, just creating a single macro to do formatting and passing in the parameters. As long as you can remember what all this stuff does, that's the biggest problem. But instead of having a separate macro, for each of these types of things, if you just pass in the values that you want, you can get the output that you want. I wonder if people hate it when people like me are constantly zooming in and out like this. That bothers me when I watch other videos.